Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to try to replicate a Halloween makeup look with normal makeup. As you can see here, I have my makeup palettes, my makeup bag, and my lipsticks. Let's see how this goes. This is the Halloween makeup I will be trying to replicate. It's called the Bloody Queen. Okay, now that I have my makeup station set up, I will start doing my makeup. I will be looking at my mirror, but I have it set up so that you can still see me almost looking straight at the camera, but a little bit tilted to the side. So let's see how this goes. So seeing that the Blood Queen has all her face white, I'm thinking of going with a white eyeshadow all over my face. I'm not even sure if that's hygienic or damaging to the skin.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my love Notori in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch.
So far I finished doing the white of my face. I'm gonna go on to the eyes.
They did the mash.
He did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun.
And a shoop.
The party had just begun.
And a shoop.
The guests included Wolfman,
Shoop.
Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, they were digging the sounds. He got on chains backed by his baying hound. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker
They
5.
played the mash.
They played the monster
The
mash,
monster mash.
and it was a
So I finished putting on my red eyeshadow.
the monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
He did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun.
And a shoop.
The party had just begun.
And a shoop.
The guests included Wolfman,
Shoop.
Dracula, and his son.
Now I finished doing my whole eyes. I put in the bloody teardrops, the splatter all over my eyes, and I also added the blood coming out of my nose.
Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?
It's now the mash.
It's now the mon.
So after analyzing my colors, I've decided this one for the outside lips, this one for the blood, and this one is going to be the actual lips. The middle one is the one I'm holding right now, which I used for the blood.
You'll catch on with a flash.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash.
Mash, mash, wow.
Easy, boy, you impetuous young boy.
Now I'm going to be doing my blush, which, as you can see in the picture, it's gray. Like everything else, I'm going to be using my eyeshadow. So this is the final result. Considering I only used my actual makeup and no Halloween makeup, I think the result was good. Looking at the actual picture, I feel like I went a little crazy on the dots in my eyes. Comment down below what you think. Halloween is just a few days away, so don't forget to have fun, but be safe this Halloween season. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for future notifications. So today is the next morning. It's 6:30 a.m. right now. And I would highly not recommend putting everlasting liquid lipstick as blood around your eyes. As you can tell, I have red right underneath my eye up to my eyelash, where the bottom eyeliner should be, and then right where my black eyeliner should be on the top, right here.